After setting up your machine, pick a splice mode corresponding to the fiber type you're going to be using, and pick the heater mode corresponding to the shrink sleeves you have. Here, I have 2 standard single mode ribbons, so I'll use SM Auto as my splice mode. Picking the right splice mode is one of the biggest contributors to splicing success. Be sure to identify the ribbon type and fiber type you're using and select the splice mode that matches the fiber in front of you. The SWR, SWR Auto, and Spiderweb Fast splice modes are unique to the Fujikura splicers and take special consideration for the uniqueness of spiderweb ribbon, as opposed to the encapsulated or flat ribbon. Spiderweb ribbon is not encased in an outer binding layer and requires a higher heat setting on the RSO3 to strip properly. If your RSO3 is Bluetooth connected to the splicer, selecting this mode can automatically change the setting of the stripper to accommodate the heat requirements of spiderweb ribbon. All that's needed for this is to enter other settings, then stripper settings, and make sure the heat parameter control is set to splicer. Any splice mode having the word auto after it has 2 primary functions. Number 1, it will monitor arc power with each splice and make small tweaks from one splice to the next. And 2, it will automatically count the number of fibers present for each splice. These functions serve to maintain your arc calibration accuracy as conditions change through the day and keep you splicing efficiently by avoiding unnecessary splice mode changes. Again, note that using an auto splice mode is not a substitute for daily arc calibration. Conditions like temperature, barometric pressure, and humidity all affect how much arc power you need in order to precisely melt the fibers. And since every day has different conditions, start the day with a quick arc calibration to get you started, then use the splice mode ending in auto to keep the initial calibration accurate as the conditions of the day evolve. Any splice mode that has the fast suffix will assume the correct fiber type is loaded, the correct number of fibers are loaded, and adopt the most recently calibrated arc power value in order to perform the splice in as little time as possible.